Smart devices aren't actually smart. They're just connected to the internet. They don't understand your home. Spora does. Spora, the first social network for homes. We're creating a shared intelligence layer where smart devices generate signals, compare patterns, and learn from similar homes. So your home starts making sense of what's happening. Take your washing machine. Across thousands of similar machines, Spora has learned to recognize patterns that often appear weeks before a failure. Your machine is starting to show the same pattern. Fix it early. Avoid a costly repair. Let's talk about your water heater. At night, it quietly reheats more often than similar homes with the same setup. Spora compares the pattern across the network. Reduce unnecessary heating cycles. Same comfort, less waste. Or your sleep environment. Homes similar to yours optimize their bedroom conditions after 10:30 p.m. Temperature around 19 degrees Celsius, warm, dim lighting. Spora learned what works across the network, not from a single device. And it doesn't stop at your home. Imagine if several homes in your neighborhood shifted EV charging later into the night. The local grid stabilizes. Energy costs drop. No coordination needed, just collective intelligence emerging from the network. And all of this happens privately. Your data stays secure and anonymized. Your home stays under your control. The next generation of smart homes starts here. Let's build it together.